Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the Bosch WGG24400 washing machine. This fantastic appliance is packed with features that make laundry day a breeze, and guess what? You can even rent it. Let's dive in. Here are the key features. First up, the iron assist feature. Say goodbye to creased clothes. This cycle helps prevent wrinkles, so your laundry comes out ready for ironing. Stains, not a problem. This Bosch, with its anti-stain tech, automatically detects and removes stubborn stains. No more pre-treating or worrying about spills. Now let's talk about quietness. The Eco Silence drive ensures the super quiet washing. Perfect for those of you with an open plan living space. We've all forgotten to add a sock or underwear to the wash. With the reload function, you can pause the cycle and toss in that missing item. The anti-vibration design reduces vibrations during the spin cycle. Your washing machine won't dance around the room anymore. Okay, let's have a look at some of these great features. Iron Assist is a steam-only program for your dry, creased clothes, such as shirts, t-shirts and cotton material items. Simply hit start and off you go. The anti-stain feature is equipped with 4 special options to deal with 4 of the most stubborn stains. Select your program, and using the anti-stain button, you select from blood, grass, red wine and butter and oil. The machine adjusts the program parameters and drum movement to deal with these stains. The programs are flexible. You can adjust the temperature, adjust the spin speed, and just hit start. Speed Perfect. Simply push the Speed Perfect button, which will reduce your program time. This will increase energy consumption, but will give you a quicker wash. Now the best bit. This appliance is now available, and renting means no hefty upfront costs. You pay a monthly fee and you're good to go. What about the maintenance and repairs, you're thinking? Covered. If anything goes wrong, just call us, we'll take care of it. Want the latest model? When you rent, you can easily upgrade to a newer washing machine without breaking the bank. So there you have it, the Bosch WGG24400. This Bosch is not only feature packed, but is also a great choice for renters. If you're looking for convenience, efficiency and flexibility, consider renting this fantastic washing machine. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you next time.